In this video, the process for getting money off of stocks on Cash App will be explained. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app, providing a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, tax services, a card for spending balances, peer-to-peer payments and discounts, covering almost everything in one place. This video will focus on how to sell stocks and get money out of them. First, go to the home screen, which displays the money or cash balance screen, and note the amount shown at the top. For example, then scroll down to the stocks section, where an amount such as $41.60 in stocks may be visible, showing the stocks currently owned. Many users casually buy small amounts to learn, and selling a stock works just like selling any other item. Similar to selling a jacket at a garage sale to get money back, a stock is simply an item purchased, held, and then sold when ready to get money back from it. To start, select a stock, for example, Roblox, which might show a value like $1.36. Many users may own a larger amount, but smaller amounts are often used for demonstration. To sell, tap on Sell, and the app will scan the user's face for security before displaying options and information. If the market is closed, such as on weekends, the sale can be scheduled for Monday morning. If it is between Monday and Friday, tapping Sell will allow the process to continue immediately, selling the stock owned. Some fees will apply, and for example, $1.34 may be received after the sale. The Sell button will appear where the Schedule button shows during market closure. Once the stock has been sold, the funds will appear in the cash balance, adding the sold amount, such as $1.34, to the balance. After the money is available in the cash balance, multiple options become available for using it. The funds can be withdrawn to a bank by tapping the Withdraw button at the top and selecting the amount to send, either using preset options or typing in a custom amount, such as $19, before tapping Withdraw at the bottom of the screen. The funds will transfer to the bank within a few days. If there is no plan to send the money to a bank, several other options exist. The funds can be moved to the savings account within Cash App, earning up to 4% interest, with interest paid on the first of each month, such as receiving 85 cents on December 1st. Another option is to buy Bitcoin or purchase a different stock using the available funds. Using the Cash App card, which is a physical card sent by mail, funds can be spent directly by tapping at stores or using it like a debit or credit card, spending the cash balance as needed. Additionally, the peer-to-peer payment screen can be used to send the funds to another user directly within Cash App. And that's it. Thank you for watching.